Are you ready to create an online questionnaire effortlessly? Follow along as I guide you step by step through using Google Forms to craft your survey. Hey there! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a survey using Google Forms. Let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Google account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Google Apps. Click on Google Forms from the drop-down menu under More. You'll find a variety of pre-made templates to choose from. Select one that suits your needs or start from scratch by clicking on Blank. Begin by giving your form a title, such as Demographics, and add a description if needed. Then, start typing your questions. For example, let's create a simple gender question with options for male and female. After typing your question, continue adding questions by clicking on the Add Question button and repeating the process. Select the type of response you want from the drop-down menu. You can choose from options like short answer, multiple choice, drop-down, checkboxes, and more. Once your survey is complete, you can easily send it out via email by clicking on the Send button. Enter email addresses or copy the link to share it with participants. Additionally, you can embed the survey link into platforms like Blackboard for easy access by participants. Don't forget to customize your survey further by adding images, videos, or sections as needed. Lastly, Google Forms automatically collects responses in a Google Sheet. You can export this data as an Excel spreadsheet for further analysis in programs like SPSS or SAS. And there you have it. You've successfully created an online questionnaire using Google Forms. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on research and surveys. Until next time, goodbye.